Alright, here we go. As you see, our rail took some damage, took a hit. That was the first shot because that rifle is sighted in for different ammo. Shot, hit, boom. We have that hit down here, so we're going to see how far that goes down in.
Alright, here we go. Was doing a different video. Had an incident happen. The scope seems to be a little messed up. Got to figure out what's going on with it. Plus, the scope was sighted in for a different rifle. As you see, we botched this shot. Hit, so we are now going to look at the penetration of the Deer Season XP after deflection. As you see, making a solid hit. We're going to see how far down it goes in. So let's check this out. Here we go. This is another video. I'm going to be talking about this, but I'm pretty sure this didn't go further than these two, so we should be good. Here we are, first board. We are, there you go. I'll cover that up so y'all don't get distracted. But there you go. We didn't even go, well, you can see where we shattered. And if we put, we can get a little bit of a depth idea. That is how far down. That's the tip of the bullet right there. So we basically, if you look at it, the bullet's about right in there. I can feel a little bit of a knot right there. You can see it. But yeah, we definitely almost went through one board after deflection, after the hit. So there you go with Deer Season XP. If you ever wondered, if you miss and you hit something and it deflects into it, you hit wood and it deflects into it, how far in will it go? Well, now you know.